me now. Why is this? I hope the stream is working okay. So, is the Twitch working? Okay. Wait, why is that unstable? Unstable? Why? Why is it unstable? Okay. I think Twitch might be a little bit unstable, but YouTube seems to be going just fine. Can we... Yep. And why does it seem to be not working that great? Is this okay? Okay, so what quality? Okay, that's 1080. Okay, so Twitch is working fine. Then why the hell is it showing that? Anyhow, continue. So YouTube should be working fine, but I don't know why it's showing up like that. Okay, we shared it on the Prime. We shared it here. We shared it on Carl's. And in Odin. Okay, so we should be working just fine. How about the chat? Let's check that. So I'm gonna search here. Testing Twitch chat. And also testing YouTube chat. Okay, so I think by now, okay, so they're working fine. I think the audio is okay, so are we ready to start this day? Wait. Like, is this, why is the screen, why is this camera looking a bit bad? Okay. Yes. Activate this one. Okay, now the camera's off. Oh yes. Okay, so that's why. Let's hope it catches the same controls. Wait. I'm just looking at it. Oh, okay, so it's great. It's just like the second monitor is way awful in colors. Okay, so our stream's going okay. Let me open the chat window here. Yep, this one. Why is it not? Why is it not showing all of the chats? Are we connected and everything? Yes, we are. I'm sorry guys if you just joined in, but I'm just checking stuff related to the chat. Okay. So okay. So are we on or what? Hey, we had 2 viewers here on YouTube and a viewer here on Twitch. Welcome guys. How are you doing? Okay, so I'm just gonna keep looking at this one. And but I don't know why this one is not really showing everything. Wait, can I just try to global chat? Let's check if it's working. Okay. So, but why isn't Twitch working? Streamer bot must have something wrong with this chat. Anyhow, the other one's working fine, so I'm not gonna be bitching around this for so. Wait, did it came through? Okay. So it came through from Twitch and YouTube, but somehow it can't read messages from Twitch. But it's showing on the screen and showing on the stream. Yeah. Well, that's weird. Anyhow, so let's start today's thing. Okay, so where did we stop at last time? I don't remember exactly, but for those who are new into this, I'm making a schematic editor, so it's not really for schematic entry, but I'm doing it because I want to have a schematic editor that is useful for when I'm trying to make circuit diagrams for like sharing on a presentation or a white paper or like any educational material, or just like trying to convey information for other people. And usually the ones that we use in the industry are known for their good aesthetics per se. It's mainly focused on like functionality. But when you're sharing something in a white paper or like in an educational situation, you need it to be looking quite good. So I wanted to make this one, so I'm just gonna like give you guys an example here. So here it is. This is like this is the latest thing that I did. So basically it's only like a white background, a grid, and here we have some info like about, hey, where are we on the x-axis and y-axis, what's the zoom level, what's the grid size, if you have a fine grid on or off. Okay, and yeah, we can zoom using the scroll wheel. We can press F to fit it to the zoom. We can press O to center the center on the original coordinates, and like we can press I to insert a new symbol. Right now, because I haven't really like made the logic for choosing symbols by names, I'm only like sifting through them by pressing the tab button. So yeah, that's basically it. So right now the only problem that I have is that, well, first of all, there are two problems that's making this hard. First of all, the library that I'm using, Raylib, is it uses like an inverted y direction other than the Cartesian one that we're used to. Because like in normal engineering coordinates, you have the x-axis going this way in the positive side, the y-axis going this way. But in screen coordinates or in graphics coordinates, and it differs from library to another one, but basically they start from the top left, and your x-axis goes to the width of your monitor, but your y-axis goes to down. So down is the positive y-axis, not up. So this messes up with your like, hey, if I want to rotate something, well, now we're rotating this way other than this way. So you gotta take care when you're doing that, because like your transformation is working in a different way. So you gotta like propagate this knowledge to the transformation matrix that you're using or whatever it is. And also like you're drawing inverted, but you want to save it upright because you don't want to be flipped, like the things that a low pass filter circuit that I did before. And right now all of the components orientations are right, but the problem is that the circuit is flipped upside down. So yeah, that's one thing that's kind of bothering me right now. Also, I want to add a way in order to like be able to control the thickness of the lines that I'm using, because right now it's hard coded. I don't know if I want it to be like this way, or if I want it to like in the future like make it controllable. Probably should be controllable, but it's an easy thing. It's just like thinking of like which buttons to use to be able to like change them. And yeah, that's probably gonna be it, because I already like have a variables for I already have variables for how to make it thicker or thinner. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at what might be the reason for that's happening. I'm gonna get rid of this because like it's getting hot right here. So let me just take that off. Here. Gonna open the window. Reset. Okay, so here we are. How's disconnected from server? What the hell do you mean? What? Why is Discord disconnected? What the hell? Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh. Something is wrong here. Why did Discord disconnect? Well, that's weird. Huh. Anyhow, okay, so let's continue. So, wow. So let's see the utils. I think I'll save. Okay, so let's look at what's happening here. Well, first of all, let's delete this. So the first thing that happens is that we create a string builder, we write a string, the file name, the file string, and the name. Okay, so this is like how we're okay, I think I want to show you guys like how I'm storing the things data, the symbols data. So here's the format that I'm storing the data in. So that's the name of the symbol. We have daily basis, almost like JSON style like, but not quite. And then we have the coordinates x, y, and then x, y. So all of these are like describing lines, and this is like the thickness of the line. So yeah, we have it in this way. So right now we built the name and the start of the file. I'm just like filling up this because like I want to here find like the corner of the symbol that's drawn on the screen. Because like, hey, imagine if you draw something. Let me wait. Where's the? Okay, I'm gonna like just concepts. Where are you? Yep, here it is. So here's what's happening. Imagine if we have like, this is the screen that we're using, and we draw a symbol right here like that. So anyhow, this is a very crude drawing. I want to like find a very like close point to the symbol, like someone right here or right here. This is like the preferably to be right here, because imagine if you're drawing this like very, very far away from the origin, which is gonna be at here. You don't want to be like, while you're saving it and instantiating it, you don't want to be like, hey, my mouse point is here and the symbol is going to be drawn right here. So we want to find like a point on the symbol that we can use to then save and instantiate, like to basically subtract this point coordinates from all of the other symbol coordinates. So that we can like normalize the position of the symbol to the point that we're going to be using. So that's one thing. So I'm finding the symbol minimum coordinates here. That's going to be XY coordinates. And I'm basically doing it by going through all of the instances inside the symbol, or like all of the primitives inside the symbol. Basically, if I'm using another symbol on it, or I'm using a wire, or I'm using a simple line segment, and each one of them has a position vector in it. So I use that to find which is the closest thing to the top right point of the symbol. Obviously, this is gonna be having problems, as you might have seen while I was showing the symbol, is that wires that are going, like for example, that you start the wire here and you start drawing opposite to the axis growth line, then the position would be inside the symbol. But that's not really a problem. We could just, it's just a point so that we could be able to use the symbol from a point inside it. If you want to make it like really accurate, we could just go through every coordinate of each line inside the symbol and we could use that. But I don't think this would be the best thing we're doing right now. Yeah, so where might that be? So right now I'm going through all of the instances, symbols or wires. I'm switching over the instance. If it's a basic symbol, I make an internal copy so I don't modify the original symbol that's being drawn. But I do not know why. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's true. So I think it's because we're doing the symbols, like we're going through each symbol point by point, and then because right now we're just going through each like primitive inside the symbol, not the entire symbol as a whole. So yeah, I don't know. Well, I could do one thing, which is, hey, I could just, so I'm writing all of this to a string. Can't I just, hey, wait, parse a symbol, we're giving it a string. Where's the parts about parsing the actual symbol? Wait, okay, so for value and string, we give this, for string, we give that, and then we, okay. So we could like reuse this parse symbol and yeah, I think we could reuse this parse symbol function and then take the return symbol, go through it, and flip everything and do it again. That's probably gonna be the worst way we could do it, actually. Okay, so save symbol. If we came all the way right through here and then we call sim, nice naming. That's gonna be parse symbol, and then we write it the file string, and then if we go through that, okay, so this is gonna be it. Okay, so it's gonna be okay. We're gonna have any of this, and we're gonna like use this. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be real bad. It's not working. What the hell? Why is it not working? Are we still doing fine here? Yep. Okay, so why is my symbol oh, okay, so okay, wait, how to okay, I wanna find out how to, yep, here it is. I'm gonna find the packages and yep, builder, strings the builder, yep, and let's find out where are the procedures to string curve, okay. Wait, types builder. Okay, strconf. Okay. Sterconv. Okay. لا برضو strings procedures. How? How to string. Yep, here it is. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Change that to string. Okay, yep. So that sim. Okay. هو احنا برضه لسه ستيل ايه ده؟ لا احنا عايزين نفلip السيمبل flip vertically. Flip vertically. اوكي طيب types dot instance of temp symbol 1 0 whatever الorientation بتاعتك ايه dot east false. اوكي ماشي. I keep going down, I keep on hitting the ground. Okay, and okay, okay, طيب okay. save symbol. Okay, font string builder, whatever the hell that is. Come here. Why the bloody fuck would we do that? I don't know. We're gonna have this special one. Okay, so okay. Let's see. I won't give up, no, give me until I reach you. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. What? Try. And it's ugly again. My vein. Take down. اوكي. ها طيب ده هيبقى الtemp file. This is gonna be the temp file. Okay. Okay. Is it working yet or not? Is that wait? We need to. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's go like that. Let's do it like this one. Okay, so let's make a simple schematic here. So, yep, we're gonna have this. We're gonna have wires. Okay. Why did it? Oh, okay, I didn't click. Okay, so we're gonna save as low pass filter, so it's saved. So let's open this again and let's try to instantiate. It worked! It worked! Oh, thank God. Thank God. But why the hell can't we like... Couldn't we do like the exact same thing if we flipped like because we're doing it align based. If we could flip everything, then we could like, yeah, because it's even the flip function is like doing it as at align. Yeah, let's anyhow, at least that's working. You know what? I'm not gonna like bother myself with it. I'm just gonna like, leave it that way. Cause now I could just like, hey, look at me. I'm just like looking you out like a lullaby. Cause like I could just start like making circuit diagrams that are like this good. Okay. Like a lullaby. Okay, so this looks like it's working just fine. Oh. This is becoming one hell of like an app. Yeah. Okay, I need to change like how the grid is being calculated because like I want it to be like a bit better than this. Okay, so grid. Yep, here the grid. Okay, so okay, so the pop. Okay, so that's like that's gonna be like 175. Okay, so let's see if this is gonna be working. Okay, so my little soda pop. Pop. My little drop. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna like make the rest of the like the rest of the symbols. Oh, that alone. So we need an inductor. We need a BGT. What else? What are the basic types? I don't know. So get a G on stage. I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm gonna be. Okay, ground. Huh? What the hell is happening right now? Okay. Oh damn, we're gonna be. Okay, so this is the ground symbol. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so can we like try to do something like this? Okay, so can we like Okay. Hmm. Oh, come on. Damn, take that. Oh. Okay. 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 So that's a BGT device. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay. Okay. So, look, what I want to do right now is that, hey. So, yeah, I want to do something here because, like, I want to, like, every time we save. Okay, so we want to read. Okay, so yep, we want to do this. Okay, let's see. Where is it? The resize. Yep. Takes a dynamic array. Yep, a pointer to a dynamic array and the new length. Okay, so why is it not working? Excuse me? One, two. Like fire. Your idol. Oh no. No. Okay. Okay. Yep. Symbols. Yep. Okay, so that is how it's gonna be. Okay, where are we? Okay. Okay, so now it should be... Okay, now it should reread all the libraries. Yeah, it should reread all the libraries in... Yeah. All the model files in the library after we save. So here. Wait, is it? Could we just see BGT, CapG, and the MOSRes. Okay, so if we did this, bring this from this here. Yeah, how about we just... Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Ha. Okay. Huh. I don't think this is gonna be the best. Yeah. Yeah. how do we do this? Okay. The best viewers. Hey, Tic Tac. Thanks for the follow, man. Yeah, I don't like this one. On my side. And I can't go back. Inside my head, the light instead. So, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yeah, so this one is not okay. So I think all we want to do now is to go to the draw and symbol. Yeah, we want to enable these. Okay, all done. Yep, let's try this one here. Okay, so we're gonna import this one. Wait. Okay. Okay. Well, here's one thing I'm gonna. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah. The transistors are gonna be like they're gonna need to be way bigger than this. Like way bigger. Yep, cause this ain't gonna work. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, let's see. So, wow. This is actually turning out quite well. I mean, like, of course, the like the size comparison right now is awful because the transistors, like compared to the resistor, like they're so tiny. Like, wow, I didn't think that this would be like this big. But yeah. Okay. This could be fixable if I added the line width thing. I could just yeah, I could just make it so that anyone could make their own symbols and they could go from that. Yep, that would be the thing to do. So, because I don't want everybody screaming at me, where's my bloody... Okay, so... default wire thickness. Okay, so... So, okay, let's just replace all of these globe. Dot default wire thickness by wire thickness. Okay, so then let's get here. Wire thickness. That's gonna be globals dot. Nope. Yep. So, oh no 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 no. What the? Okay. So now that we have these, we could like get here, and if we what? Okay, so in wiring, okay, let's say this. If we press escape, wire thickness is gonna be globals dot default wire thickness. Okay. Wire thickness. Okay. Okay. So okay, so this one's gonna be here. Case else FRL raylab dot is key pressed dot plus equal. Okay, but we're also gonna be RL dot is key down dot so wire thickness Okay. Okay, if okay طيب me okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. How long have we been like streaming? Yeah, we're about an hour and a half right now. I don't know, but I need to like... I need to rest a bit. I need to take a break, so... I'm gonna close now, probably like go eat something and get back when I'm refreshed or something like that. Okay, so yeah. Goodbye, guys. See you soon.